What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm about to show you how I made this beat inside the machine. Let's go. All right, so the first thing that I started with was this 808 sound, and it just goes a simple pattern, very simple. And that's it. So that right there is the intro, and I'll go ahead and play that for you. So that's all it does, just loops. As you just heard, I have this other sound in here that sounds like this here. Just a nice little, you get the idea. The next thing I did was add some more sounds. So let's go to the verse and see what I added here. So the next thing I added was just a standard clap. Got another clap right here. So I just kind of layered that clap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, bam. And then the next thing was added this hi-hat here. And I just kind of made it dance a little bit. So instead of doing like the, I decided to make it just something like that. Added a triangle. Add this percussion sound. And then added this another little triangle sound. So basically when you put it together, you got this right here. So that 808 can get boring really fast and that pattern can get really repetitive. So what I did was went ahead and made a copy of this verse here, dragged it down just a little bit, and then I went in here, hit W, and then it's gonna select all this here, and then you can hit note and hit octave down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I have this right here. And so that's exactly what the hook is doing here. So now I have this whole sequence right here. So now you have the verse, then you have the hook, then you have the intro. And so if I want to take that out, I can go ahead and take this out. So say, for example, I don't want this in the intro. I can take that out, and then now I can arrange my song. So now I have my intro, I have my verse, and then I have like my hook. But maybe I don't want the verse first. Maybe I want to go into the hook because of the repetitiveness. So let me go ahead and play it how it would sound now. So if you like that beat, make sure you hit the thumbs up. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. We out.